Hey there, this is Matt Maloney with Prime Mountain Properties, member of the Annie Maloney team, www.anniemaloney.com. We're out here today at 510 Johnson Lane, which is a new construction build, log cabin, mountain contemporary type cabin here in the city limits of Gatlinburg, Tennessee. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath cabin with approximately 1,188 square feet. Currently on the market, listed for $350,000. It's in a great location, very close to downtown Gatlinburg, very close to the Rocky Top Sports Complex. It is in an area that has no HOA, so there's no HOA fee. Just a great opportunity to buy into the short-term rental investment market with a new build. So let's go inside and check it out. So as you can see, this property does have a nice wood texture. It's a wood siding product on the outside. You got some cedar shake up here in this top section of the house, with some natural stone here on the entry under the front gable. So a lot of different elements going on, 3 different materials that work very well together to just, they provide a great feel for having a home here in the Smoky Mountains. So it does feature an open floor plan. So as soon as you walk in, you'll have open cathedral type feel with the living room, tongue and groove throughout. They have utilized the larger 12-inch tongue and groove boards on the walls. So we got engineered hardwood floors, keeping an Amish style theme in regards to the furniture. You can see there is a second level. So you do have the vaulted feeling in the main living space. Small area over here, dinette set, and then access to the back porch. Again, a nice stacked stone, real stone fireplace, floor to ceiling. That is a gas fireplace. In this area of the city limits of Gatlinburg, you do have city water, city sewer, and natural gas. The natural gas is running the fireplace. That's the only fixture in the house that's running the gas, but it is natural gas underground. You do have a full kitchen, stainless appliances, black on stainless appliances. You got upgraded cabinetry with crown molding. Most of the lighting fixtures in here are going to be the can lights, which are LED modules, very energy efficient. Granite countertops. These countertops they're actually leathered granite, so they're not smooth and polished to the touch like you normally experience. They do have a certain textured feel to them. It's something that we're seeing more and more of in the new construction market. You do have a mechanical closet here for water heater, along with full-size stackable washer and dryer. The main level area does offer one full-size bedroom and bathroom. You got a king-size bed with dual nightstands, plenty of room, clearance on all 3 sides of the bed. And the furniture keeping that Amish feel and theme throughout. You do have full bath, again, engineered hard floors throughout the entire cabin, with exception to the bathrooms where they do transition into the ceramic tile. Same type of cabinetry that you have in the kitchen with the same leathered granite countertops. And then the stand-up shower tub combo insert, which is very common in these cabins that are going to be utilized as short-term rentals. Very easy to maintain and very easy to clean, so that's a nice feature. So upstairs you'll find a small little loft, as well as the second master bedroom and bathroom. The loft is got a multi-cade arcade game system, which is pretty impressive. They continue to get more and more creative with these gaming systems. As you can see, this is a whiskey barrel with some neon lights built into it. Some stools for dual player action. And the multi-cade platform, multi-cade that's got approximately 60 games. So lots of opportunity, lots of different games on here to take advantage of. Loft area is open to the downstairs area. And then the second master bedroom. Still waiting for the bedspread to come in, which is on back order, but that'll be very Smoky Mountain themed as well. This bedroom is a little larger, a little deeper from the edge of the bed to the wall. And then you have the full bath as well. Same ceramic tile. This bathroom is also a little larger. It does have some storage as well. Larger vanity. Same type of cabinetry, leathered granite countertop. And then some linen storage and the same type of stand-up shower tub combo. Check out the back deck. The back deck does offer some privacy, some outdoor space. Got a few rockers and gliders out here as well. Do have a covered porch aspect to it, tongue and groove ceiling, and you have a little privacy fence with hot tub. So again, just a great opportunity to own new construction in the city limits of Gatlinburg, on city water, city sewer, natural gas, all underground utilities, in an area that is, there is no HOA, there's no HOA fee, very close to downtown Gatlinburg, very close to the Rocky Top Sports Complex. Just an excellent opportunity and an excellent location. For more information, please feel to reach out. Again, Matt Maloney, 865-719-2755. You can reach out to Annie Maloney, 865-719-4930, or call the office direct, Prime Mountain Properties, 865-366-3456. For more information, feel free to email us at annie@anniemaloney.com.